So look at the different options that you can do at 9. You can have the vision white and black, color, vision night intelligent, vision night starlight. I'm gonna leave it right now in the all color. And you can actually talk to the person in here. Hello?
¿Escucha?
Can you hear me? Yes, I hear you.
¿Escucha?
Yes,
¿Me está escuchando, Talía?
I hear
Dame
you.
señal de allá adentro.
I hear you.
¿You hear me?
Yes, I hear you. What are you doing?
Soy del trampolín.
Okay, go jump. Bye. You can also put an alarm on.